Hello, I am Mus D. Meman from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise 1 of unit 6.3 language practice of English class 9 new course. Dear students, this exercise is on page number 144 in your English book of class 9 new course. So please open your books on page number 144. Unit 6.3 Language Practice Synonyms. This exercise is on synonyms. First, here in this book, it is told that what is a synonyms. A synonym is a word or phrase that means almost or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. For example, shut, the word shut is a synonym of the word close. Though synonyms can sometimes replace each other, but many times they can't, depending on the context of their use. This is the definition of the word synonym. Now, exercise 1 in your book. Do the following exercise in your notebook. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the synonym given in bold with an appropriate synonym from the 4 given options. It means in this exercise in your book, in each sentence, a word is given in bold letters. Then there are 4 options. You have to find out the synonym for the word in bold letters from the 4 given options. But on whiteboard, I have not written the word in bold letters, but I have underlined it. So, I have written this question, rewrite the sentences by replacing the synonym given underlined. Here, the word says given bold, given in bold. I have written underlined in spite of the word bold. Underlined with an appropriate synonym from the 4 given options. Now let's read. Number 1. He is a brilliant carpenter. He has made a doll house with miniature furniture from every room. Now there are 4 options. Option A, pretty. Option B, tiny. Option C, fresh. Option D, tall. The synonym of the word miniature is option B, tiny. Here I tick mark it. You have to rewrite the sentence again, replacing this underlined word. You should write here the word tiny in your notebook. So please remember this. Number 2. Mrs. Amjad gave the class a difficult assignment for chemistry. Now 4 options. Option A, free. Option B, easy. Option C, caring. Option D, hard. The synonym of the word difficult is hard. So I tick mark it here, and you have to rewrite the sentence again, replacing the word difficult with the word hard. Number 3. My grandmother is old. She is about 90 years old. Options are A. Elderly, B. Crazy, C. Charming, D. Friendly. The synonym of the word old is elderly. Option A. You have to write this sentence again, replacing this word by elderly. Now, number 4. Our principal is very smart and slim. Options are A. Tall, B. Thin, C. Charming, D. Strict. The synonym of the word slim is thin. You have to replace it by this word in your notebook. Now, number 5. A stable government ensures that a nation will progress. Options are A. Friendly, B. Steady, C. Strong, D. Outgoing. The synonym of the word stable is strong, the strong government. Now, number 6. Farzana is always ready to help the people in her neighborhood. The options are A. Teach, B. Guide, C. Assist, D. Train. The synonym of the word help is assist. So, option C is correct. Number 7. I feel drowsy after having rice for lunch. Options are A. Lazy, B. Active, C. Happy, D. Sleepy. The synonym of the word drowsy is sleepy. So, option D is correct. Now, number 8. The house next door has been vacant for 2 years. Options are A. Dirty, B. Empty, C. Robbed, D. Painted. The synonym of the word vacant is empty. Option B is correct. This was the exercise about synonyms. Thank you very much.